Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Excuse the mess in the background. I'm just in my room and I'm really embracing the no makeup Sundays. So today I'm going to be showing you my laundry DIY makeover. So today I'm just going to show you the before and after of our laundry that we did ourselves. It was very gross and it required some paint, but it wasn't too hard to do and it is easy for you to achieve. So stick around to the end to see the after end result. So anyways, let's get straight into my laundry DIY makeover. So as you can see, our laundry really needed a renovation makeover and we did it DIY on a budget. The paint was old and patchy and multiple shades of cream, which really made it much darker than the room needed to be. We also had a worn old shelf and single sink with no bench space or storage space, so we really wanted to freshen it up and modernize it on a budget. What I first did was remove the tiles, as you can see, around the sink area. I just used a chisel and a hammer, so I'm just quickly showing you how I did it. They were really stuck down, and normally I find that they're not as stuck down as this when I've removed tiles in the past. So it required a little bit of banging, loosening up, and then also a lot of chiseling and pulling down. I did cause a few holes, as you can see, in the walls. So after this, I had to put gyprock and then also plaster sheets, which you can get from Bunngings or your local home improvement store, and then we patched all of it up as well and then painted it white, which we did after I obviously removed all the tiles, and then after I removed the small shelf, because that is where we were going to put our cupboards above the sink that we were going to put in. So this is the remnants after I've removed all the tiles and the shelf. As you can see, I did have a few holes in the wall and then lots of tiles which we had to clean up to be able to move on and plaster around and remove the sink. Next up, we installed these flat pack cupboards which we got from Bunngings. They're about $69 and $150 for the top and underneath, and then we also grabbed this bench which was $99. We used the entire bench and then cut off the excess pieces of the bench to create the other mini shelf, and then James also had to cut the hole in the bench top to place this sink, which was just about $150. I bought it online. Then James went ahead and installed these subway tiles himself. As you can see, it just created, we had some leftover excess tiles that we used from our kitchen, so we just did that, and then he also installed the leftover wood as a little shelf where we could put our baskets and add additional storage. This is our renovated DIY laundry that we did. We had to buy this single wooden bench top, which isn't actually meant to be a laundry bench top. It was just like a big wooden bench top that we got from Bunngings, and we had to cut it to size, which James obviously did, so that you can fit your washing machine and dryer underneath. Although we don't have a dryer, we have a mini fridge. This is where we keep our dog food. So this is from Kmart that we got, and then we decided we wanted to match our kitchen, which is a subway tile Backsplash, and then we just got a dark grout because we have a lot of black accented things in the house, which is why we even used these black holders to keep the shelf up, and then we also have black handles here on the cupboards. We didn't get a black sink though because we were trying to save money, so we kept the same tapware as what was previously in here, and then we just got a new sink because it was a very disgusting sink if you would have seen, and then we just needed some extra storage in here. So this is kind of where we keep our towels, some of our towels, washcloths, and the iron and stuff like that. And then we also, with the rest of the wood that we got from here, we made a shelf just to keep our washing liquid and stuff up there. So you can see we also got little baskets just to keep it a little bit more tidy. And then we also have our washing basket there, which is kind of matches it. So materials that we needed to get to do this, we already had these leftover tiles from the kitchen, so we only had to buy the grout, the bench top, the black accessories, and the cupboards that we needed for here, and then the sink as well. whole house. If you would like to see our home tour, I will link that in the description box. Although it is a bit old, so if you would like to see an updated house tour with some new rooms and new decorations and updated home decor, let me know in the comments section down below. I was also thinking of doing a bathroom DIY makeover because I am actually currently doing our ensuite at the moment. So if you would like to see that, please also comment that down below, or comment which one you would prefer to see. Thank you guys so much for watching my laundry DIY renovation and makeover on a budget. Let me know what you would like to see next in the comments below. Thanks guys.